All right, Sean, here we go. Rapid fire questions. Who would win in a war? The install department or the service technicians?
Install.
Who's your favorite NFL team?
Philadelphia Eagles, baby.
Your favorite tool?
My Makita impact drill.
How long have you been installing HVAC equipment?
15 years here at Tom Rostron Company.
Your favorite thing about working at Rostron Premium Home Services?
I like the camaraderie here. I like making homeowners feel comfortable after I'm done with their install.
What's one thing customers should know about you?
I'm a really nice guy and I care about what I'm doing.
If you weren't installing HVAC equipment, what would you be doing?
Honestly, I probably have no idea what I would be doing.
Favorite hobby?
Throwing horseshoes and going to the creek.
What position do you play in your men's league softball?
I play left field and left center.
If you can only drink one type of beer for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Miller's all day.